Hello guys, Ramesh from Gears Chennai. Welcome back to another video. This time we are stocked up with AGV K3 helmets. So K3 is completely a touring segment helmet and AGV is completely an Italian brand. So both put together, you'll have a very good helmet. Now let me explain the features of K3 helmet. Right now I have K3 Mugello 2017 in my hand. I know you would have fallen in love with the graphics, 46 and 69 together, and Rossi photo at the top of the helmet. So let me explain the features of K3 helmets to you guys right now. Going with the ventilation system, you'll have two ventilation systems on the jaw part and three on your head. One in the center and two at the sides. It has the exit outflow also. Looking into the visor, this primary visor is clear tint visor and pinlock ready visor as well. For this K3 models, you'll be getting complimentary pinlock visor, which is pinlock 70. This pinlock will be there in all your K3 helmets inside the box. As this is a touring helmet, you'll have internal sun visor as well for your day and night rides. This helmet is being tested by Sharp and it is given 4-star rating. Looking into the padding of this helmet, it is high quality padding. The padding is removable, washable and anti-allergic. You'll have collar padding also for this particular K3 helmet, which will be helpful for your long rides. And for your Bluetooth and intercoms, the slots are available inside the padding. Looking into the school feature, which only few helmets have, which AGV has, you can open the visor for 1 mm so that the wind, the cool breeze can get flowed inside your face in long rides. It will be helpful for your long rides. So apart from that, that's all guys. These are the features. And last but not the least, the lock system is quick release lock system. As you guys know, this is a touring helmet, so it'll be easy for your on and off. Now let's look into the graphics and color combination of K3 helmets which we have right now in stock. So these are the color schemes which I have right now in stock. This is Birdie, red and neon with the teeth photo. This is a side angle. And this is Balloon edition, the only matte edition in K3. This is a birdie with the front view. For you guys, we have kept two birdies. And this is known as Glimpse. Very subtle graphic, very neat graphic. And this is Attack, which comes with the shark photo on top of the helmet. And that is Bubble, which is newly introduced to the market in India. These are priced at just 22,500 rupees for Indian market because these are non-MotoGP edition. And now let's move on to the MotoGP graphics. So MotoGP graphics will start from Ride 46, VR 46 on both side of your helmet, and this is Stride 46, again a newly launched model to India, Stride 46. And then we have Misano. Misano is a very famous model among youngsters. You guys would have known about this, very famous. And Tataruga, we have the tortoise headed helmet. Last but not least, we have Mugello 46, which I was talking with the features and all. With this helmet, this particular helmet, Mugello 2017 edition. Again, this is newly launched in India, which has cool graphics 46 and 69. And these are now priced at 25,500 rupees for Indian market again, because these are MotoGP edition. So 3,000 rupees you'll have to pay extra for these editions. And on top of the K3 series, we'll have K1 series. If you guys want to know about K1, kindly let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a like and share it to all your friends and family. Stay safe guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.